Hi. So I was just in a state of meditation, and I actually received a message, a very beautiful message indeed. And I felt that I would love to share it with all of you because it's really beautiful. The message that I received, the solution to something that I've been looking for a long, long time. And it's not that I never received the answers, it's just that I received it a little bit differently in the past. But this time today, just 5-10 minutes ago, I received it in a very beautiful, in a very clearer manner, and I immediately thought that I would just record it and share it with all of you too. So the message is that sometimes like we struggle with other people. Sometimes like if you are a twin flame or a star seed, or someone on a spiritual journey, you probably struggle with your expectations from other people, right? Like you want something to be fulfilled by someone else for you, but it doesn't go like that in all the cases. I feel like it's something that we truly struggle with. All of us, we have certain expectations, we have certain things in our minds, in our hearts, that we want to go in a certain way, right? But it doesn't happen, and that seems to hurt us, that seems to inflict some sort of pain, emotional pain. And when I do personal readings, it comes out a lot that people are wanting to release their expectations from other people, and they things go literally south, and it doesn't make sense, right? And obviously, the other person is not just a specific person. No one outside of us is carrying a responsibility to make us happy or make us feel fulfilled or emotionally fulfilled, right? It's literally our own job. We have to take care of that, not the other person or the other people. So I received a message that sort of told me that sometimes you need to accept that this is how people are. you know I have been a person in my life who has been extremely forgiving towards other people, extremely loving, extremely caring, and sometimes I used to blame myself that why do I care for other people a lot, why do I love people a lot, why do I feel like this huge affection inside me for other people. And I since my childhood, I have been operating from my heart chakra, and I have even forgiven people who have done such damage in my life that I cannot even name it. Like it's been huge when I was in my college especially. And I seem to forgive that too, and it wasn't a struggle to forgive those people. It just came naturally. Like I literally just let it go. When it comes to forgiving, I don't hold grudges. But yeah, the experience that comes with it, like if something happened with that particular person, it would take some time, a long time to heal that, of course. But the forgiving part happened really quickly with me. So the message is that the message was that the message was trying to tell me that you are a person who is a forgiving person, and this is just who you are. This is just how I am. I'm forgiving and I'm kind, and I tend to think about other people. I have a lot of empathy inside me. I'm very empathetic. And this is a huge thing inside me. Like I am an empath, and I feel other people no matter what they do to me, no matter what they say to me, no matter how much it hurts when they do something. It just when they are saying something, I just tend to feel like, okay, I need to let this go, because the other person, because I have a very strong intuition and I understand that someone else is going through something or someone else is feeling something. The second I come in contact with someone, especially someone close to me, I tend to feel what they are feeling instantly. So so this is something that I know that I need to like let it go, or I need to forgive. I need to let this thing be as it is. So the message is that you need to accept that don't push this thing. If you are a forgiving person, if you're listening to this, and if you're someone who is very forgiving, someone who is very patient, and you blame yourself for that, like, why do I love why this much, and why am I such an empath and all that, accept that you are an empath, accept that you are kind. This is who you are. And no matter how much, because in my personal life I have tried so much to not be forgiving and be someone who is a little bit cruel or rude. It just doesn't happen, it doesn't align with me. So if you're someone who's listening to this and think that you have tried to push these natural instincts away from you and it didn't work, then I think that it's time to accept that you are kind, you are loving, you are caring. This is just how you are. You are probably an old soul, probably a star seed who has been on a frequency of just love and never seen a lower frequency when you were on your home planet. So just accept the fact that you are very kind, you are very compassionate, okay? And also accept that whoever you're dealing with, if you're dealing with a bunch of people or someone specific, just accept that this is how they are. If no matter how they are, just accept it as a sort of a personality trait or traits. Just accept that this is their personality and this is how they are. Like if like me, if you are also interested in like stepping into unconditional love and starting to understand how unconditional love works and what unconditional love is, then this is a very beautiful tip that you can use to step into that vibration, step into that energy of unconditional love, to accept the other person how they are, like not fighting or not controlling for the circumstance to change according to you. Just accepting that, okay, this is how this person is and I cannot do anything about it. If this person is rude, if this person doesn't say anything, it's okay. Just accept it. Know that this is how they are and this is how you are. Don't try to change yourself and don't try to change the other person. And I'm not saying that the other person will never change or you will never change. Change is something like really constant in our universe. It will happen. Change will take place accordingly with time. I'm not saying that they will not ever change or you will not shift to a different timeline. Of course you can. Absolutely you can. That is something that we're always doing, right? So let it be and accept the fact that this is how things are, like accepting things as they are, accepting the present moment as it is, right? And being unconditional about it, not trying to control or not trying to do some certain actions through which we want to change the other person or us or the circumstance. Just letting it be and observing it as it is. So maybe that is something that will inflict some sort of change, because your vibration is shifting, right? You're shifting to a vibration of acceptance, so the physical reality will absolutely have an impact. But it's not about that. I'm not talking about manifesting right now. I'm talking about coming into the vibration of acceptance, total acceptance, unconditional acceptance, okay? So this was the message. I hope you liked it. I hope you can use it for your good, for your highest good. And I know that this is going to help me a lot. It already helped me. The second I received it, I felt this peace inside me, this calm inside me, this connection with the universe, this oneness. And I know that if you will contemplate on it, like sit down and contemplate about it, if you really liked it, if it clicked with you, I know that you are also going to benefit from this if you like let it come and change, like if you embrace it. So try it, contemplate on it. If you come up with something different out of it, absolutely let me know. You can put it down in the comment section, or you can post about it on your own Instagrams or Facebook, whatever. And so yeah, this was the message. Thank you so much for listening to it. I'm glad that you were a part of it. So I'll see you next time. Bye.